Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone joining us across time zones. Welcome to India Without Borders. Thank you for joining us today. I am Ashwati, joining you live from Berlin.
नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। आज के इस गौरवशाली समारोह में मैं अरुणिमा वार्ष्णेय बर्लिन से आपकी हिंदी संचालक आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत और अभिनंदन करती हूँ।
Let me also give you a brief overview of our guest tonight. Our chief guest, Ambassador H.E. Indramani Pandey sir, our guest of honor, MB Tejendra Sharma and Mr. Sunil Kumar Singh. And we also have a brilliant lineup of writers, poets, artists, and cultural ambassadors who will share their reflection with us. Ankita Baheti from Qatar, Anushya Singapore, Kapil Kumar from Belgium, Atila Kotawal from Sri Lanka, Tufail Ahmad from Oman, Sanjay Kumar from Thailand, Asta Nawal, USA, Indu Nandal, Indonesia, Shweta Singh, Russia, Bhavna Kunwa, Australia, Prageet Kunwa, Australia, Pooja Anil, Spain.
शानदार शानदार
बहुत बढ़िया
बहुत बढ़िया।
बधाई बधाई योजना बहुत अच्छा।
बधाई वाली बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा गाना है।
बहुत
बेहतरीन बेहतरीन।
हम सब पूरी तरीके से रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं आपके गाने के साथ। कमाल करना, बहुत अच्छा।
Thank you so much. That was truly moving. I got goosebumps. Every note, every word of the song resonates with something so deep within us, right? Longing for home, the pride of our roots, the love for a country. Oh my God, I got goosebumps. Moving ahead, it's our sincere honor to welcome our chief guest, Ambassador H.E. Indramani Pandey sir, a senior and distinguished member of Indian Foreign Service with over 35 years of experience representing India across the world.
सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। Our work should benefit people from all the 7 countries. So, as Secretary General, my role is to enable member states to work together, provide all the support that they need, and that's what we have been trying to do here, being in Dhaka as part of the BIMSTEC Secretariat. It's great pleasure connecting with you all from different parts of world. And again, congratulations Yojana ji for this launch of beautiful and really enthralling song. India lives in our heart. So whether we are in India or we are away from India, we remain part of India. And that has been amply reflected in the discourse today. So thank you all for inviting me to this celebration. I'm really very happy this evening that I could join you all in this celebration. Thank you.
योजना जी, इस अद्भुत वर्सेटैलिटी के लिए कुछ पंक्तियां हैं। वो जो तर्क की गहराई और एहसास की ऊंचाई रखती है, वो जो तर्क की गहराई और एहसास की ऊंचाई रखती है, एक वैज्ञानिक सा जहन और शायर सी परछाई रखती है, एक वैज्ञानिक सा जहन और शायर सी परछाई रखती है। उसके लिए सरहदें महज नक्शों की लकीरें हैं, उसके लिए सरहदें महज नक्शों की लकीरें हैं। वो अपने भीतर एक पूरा हिंदुस्तान रखती है, एक पूरा हिंदुस्तान रखती है।
Please join us in welcoming the extraordinary Dr. Yojana Shah Jain.
एक जोरदार स्वागत है डॉक्टर योजना शाह जैन जी का।
Tomorrow we are celebrating Republic Day, and today we are here to reflect on something deeper. The role of NRIs and the love and connection that the Indian diaspora shares with India. इंडियंस के अंदर अपने देश को लेकर जज्बा रहता है, वो मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं अगर देश से आप दूर रह रहे हैं तो मिसिंग है. So why is that so? It is because of the invisible threads of our culture. It is because of the vibrancy of our festivals. It is because of the rhythm of our music, because of the stories, the rituals, the memories, all of which keep us anchored to our roots.
So I'll just add one sentence, which is very personal. My father is actually a writer. He pens Malayalam poetry and stories. So through his words, I have actually grown up appreciating the power of expression and beauty of storytelling. Thank you, all of you, for letting me to be a part of this celebration of ideas, culture, and belonging. It has been an honor and a privilege. So I would request to watch, share, and talk about this song. Carry it to your homes, your conversation, your communities. Follow Rightly Yours for poetry, music, and conversation that matters. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. It helps these stories travel. India lives where its people live. And tonight we proved there are no borders for belonging. This is me, Ashwati, signing off from Berlin.